Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are trying out the new, I wouldn't say it's a spring collection from Anastasia Beverly Hills because that's coming up soon. I'm really excited for that launch, but it is the sunset and daytime collection. And there are 2 quad eyeshadow palettes, there's 2 lip glosses, there's 2 liquid lips. I'm really excited. So granted, I'm not on the PR list, I bought this myself, but when I went on the Anastasia Beverly Hills website, you are able to buy the PR package. So I did get the sunset one, which is really pretty. It is in this kind of like purplish blue, like ombre effect box. And then on the inside you have, can't really see it, can you? So on the inside you've got this eyeshadow palette, and then you've got these 2 lip glosses. It came with the sunglasses, and then I also got the palm tree. So I only bought one of the PR boxes. It didn't make sense to buy both of them, but then I did also buy the daytime set. So that came with the eyeshadow quad as well as 2 liquid lipsticks. And between the PR package and the daytime collection, that is what I used today. That is how I got this look for my eyes and my lips. If you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, I am back. I've done my eyeliner and mascara, and now we need to focus on the lips. So in the Sunset collection, there are these 2 lip glosses, which are gorgeous. And then with the Daylight collection, there are 2 liquid lipsticks. They are these beautiful shades, very metallic. So this one right here, that's kind of on the mauvey purple side, is Sunset Punch. This one, which is Bellini, which is more on the orangey peach side. This pink glittery lip gloss is Pink Daiquiri. This blue glittery lip gloss, which is Blue Hawaii. Now, I'm not feeling the lip gloss for this look, maybe as a topper. I'm kind of going with Sunset Punch. This one is really beautiful looking. That is very metallic. It feels very creamy going on. This is oh my goodness. Now this is a look. It is very icy. It kind of looks almost exactly like my eyes. I think I'm gonna put this in the center just to kind of give us another look. This is a look that I'm not gonna rock. Like, this I think would be prettier as like in the center of the lip type of color. Maybe you do something on the outside, put this in the center, and then let it blend out a little bit. Not, no. Let's see if we can make this even better with some pink daiquiri. Oh, I am taking this off. My lips don't feel dry, but they look like dry foil. Like, it's emphasizing everything. So I'm gonna take this off, and then I think I'm just gonna go back in with the lip gloss. Okay, so I'm going back in with pink daiquiri. It's a little bit more subtle, but it is better than the metallic. I will have to play around with these some more. I'm not currently a fan, but they're really pretty shades. I just don't know that they're gonna be by themselves as a shade. Oh well. Well, you guys, that's it for this look. It didn't necessarily turn out how I expected it to, but sometimes makeup doesn't work out the way we want it to. So you just kind of have to go with the ebb and flow and find out what's gonna look right with what you're wearing. Now, as far as the eyes are concerned, I really like these eyeshadow palettes. They are really beautiful. Now, do I think that I need both of them? No, but now I've got both of them. With this palette right here, I don't wear blue a lot. This color right here is really pretty, but it didn't want to apply with a brush. It applied better with my finger. And then I have these other colors. So I've got it. I might use it some more. This came together very well, and that was because I used this palette right here. These colors in here I will get more use out of, and I'm really liking this rose gold. I do want to try out this color, just maybe in a different type of look, but both palettes performed very well. There was a little bit of fallout with some of the eyeshadows. I'm used to that with Anastasia Beverly Hills, but they blended out well. They worked well together between both of the palettes. The colors kind of complement each other. Now, as far as the lipsticks go, the lip glosses I really like. I don't know that I'm gonna get a lot out of Blue Hawaii, but I will play around with it because it looks beautiful in the tube. And then the metallic liquid lipsticks, I'm gonna have to play around with these for sure. I think if I put a lip color all the way around the lips and then maybe put them in the center just to kind of give it a shimmery metallic edge, might be pretty. So keep a lookout for future videos, and I might try these metallic lipsticks out a little bit more. Now, this entire set, beautiful. I am really glad that I bought one of the PR sets because that palm tree is super cute. I'll probably keep it in the videos, but maybe I'll switch that palm tree out. I don't think it needs to be like right here pointed out of my head, but other than that, I'm liking this, and I feel very tropical in the snow of Chicago. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you like these eyeshadow palettes? Do you like this look? Leave your comments down below. If you like this video, if you like this look, definitely give it a big thumbs up. I really want to know what your opinion is. And if you're new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell icon for notifications of new videos, which go up 3 times a week. And until next time, you guys, bye. And I'll see you in my next video.